Hey guys, let's see how you can turn the Tapo C425 on and off. If you're trying to turn off the camera, for example, here from the Tapo app, there is no way. You see here that you have the option to reboot the camera, but you cannot turn it off from here. What you have to do is just directly to the camera, and here you're gonna find this button. So you can just press and hold to turn off, then you press and hold again to turn on, usually for 5 seconds. So let me just press and hold. The camera is gonna talk to you. There we go.
Camera off.
You see, it says camera off and the LED flashes here as well. Now I'm gonna turn it on, so I just press and hold.
Camera on.
And then you hear the message, camera on, and the LED here changes to green when the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi and when it's working, okay? It's green right now. So super simple. That's the way you can turn on and turn off a Tapo C425. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.